Tough enough? MB Industries uses Tuff-Seal hidden interlock vinyl floor tile in modular buildings engineered to withstand explosions, hurricanes, and earthquakes. Lockheed Martin and Boeing use it in manufacturing and production facilities. Shepherd's Machine uses Tuff-Seal tile in their 15,000 square foot fabrication shop. And Power Systems and Controls uses it in something they call a forced entry ballistic reinforced shelter. Tough enough? Yep, it's tough enough. The design for Tuff-Seal tile was awarded a United States patent because it solves problems other floor tiles don't. First and foremost, Tuff-Seal creates a rugged, watertight surface that repels dirt, fluids, chemicals, and debris that can withstand the weight of heavy machinery or a heavy rolling load like a forklift, and that often serves the dual purpose of turning an ugly subfloor beautiful. Second, it's people-friendly. Tuff-Seal tile is slip-resistant, it dissipates vibration, it muffles noise, and it reduces standing fatigue. And here's more good news. To install it requires little or no subfloor preparation. It can be used to cover any stable, reasonably flat surface, even contaminated, uncured, and moisture-prone subfloors, and is almost always installed without adhesive. Yes, with no adhesive, no mess, and no drying time. And that makes getting your floor down easy, fast, and inexpensive. You don't need any special skills or expensive unusual tools to assemble a Tuff-Seal floor. This is a critical point for those who can't afford to shut down operations to install a conventional floor. Tuff-Seal can be assembled, as they say, while the motor's running. You just lay it down, lock the tiles together, and carry on. Tuff-Seal hidden interlock vinyl floor tile is top of the line, commercial quality flooring. Each tile is a little over 17.5 inches square, a 1/4 inch thick, and weighs in at a hefty 4 pounds. And Tuff-Seal is green. We're proud of this. By comparison to others, we use solid bio-based PVC, not petroleum-based PVC laced with fillers like clay and limestone. That means Tuff-Seal has better dimensional stability and superior stain and abrasion resistance. It is manufactured using environmentally friendly, bio-based plasticizers, so environmentally friendly that it is now eligible for LEED points, the most widely recognized green building designation on the planet. And of course, as we said, it is tested and proven under the toughest conditions by clients who can't afford a floor that fails. Tough enough? See for yourself. Call toll-free to order or for a free sample pack, or visit advantaflooring.com for details or to order a sample pack online.